1, stand by for response.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's Matty once again. I am here at Seaworld Orlando this evening. Gosh, can you believe it? We're already past the longest day of the year. Summer has officially arrived yesterday. Believe it or not, today the sun set 1 minute sooner than it did yesterday at the longest day of the year. Now we're on the march downward to the shortest day of the year, which will occur December 21st. It's just hard to imagine we're on the second half of the year already, which I love it. That's my favorite time of the year. So let's get it started, right? Anyway, I thought I'd come out to SeaWorld Orlando tonight because I've heard rumors that they're testing Penguin Trek, and I thought I'd bring you guys to see the Ignite show. If you haven't seen this, you're in for a treat. Arguably, this is one of the greatest nighttime shows in Orlando. I'll let you be the deciding factor in that, but without wasting any more time, we're gonna get our ass in gear, get inside the park. So let's go check out Penguin Trek, and then we'll go see Ignite. Here we are, Ignite, 10 p.m. And then we may check this out this weekend or next, the Aqua Glow Party at Aquatica. So quick update, the Edmonton Oilers are up 2-0 over the Florida Panthers in Game 6. Florida had a 3-0 lead on Edmonton. If they win tonight, they'll force one more indecisive Game 7, which, as far as I know, the only team that's ever come back from being down 0-3 in any finals is the Red Sox against the Yankees. Yes. But I laughed and said, you know, if that happens, my brother sent me a text, he goes, if Edmonton comes all the way back, Canada's gonna invade. I said, yeah, that and Miami will burn to the ground. But anyway, we'll keep you updated, but right now it's 2-0 Edmonton in the second period. Oh, it is running. It's running, it's running, it's running. Holy shit. We're gonna get some nighttime testing of Penguin Trek. I'm glad I listened to my gut. I heard it had been testing at night. Glad we came out. Oh, I can't wait and we get to see Antarctica at nighttime. Holy crap, what great timing. Oh, this thing has a roar like Hulk does. Here it comes. Oh, right over the top. Oh, I can't wait to freaking ride this. Oh man, this is going to be incredible. July 7th, also, we were made aware that it's the grand opening of Penguin Trek. July 7th, I will be here. Just like when Mako opened. So here's the, oh man, look at this. Look. Holy shit. Wow. Oh my gosh, how neat. And you can see from right here all the way in. Look at what they did with the theming on this. Wow. Incredible. I'm glad they took the extra time. I would imagine before long they're going to have employee ride night, because they have to do that before they open it up, where employees sign up for overtime and they ride the coaster over and over and over again as many times as they want in like 4 or 5 hours. Pretty neat. Let's see if we can catch it. Oh, look. Catch another one coming out. What a great spot for the camera too, right at the launch. That is super cool. I'm so curious as to what's on the other side over there, on the other side of the turn. Love what they did with it though. Now I'm wondering if they're gonna have a cover that rolls down, and so when it gets ready to launch, the cover will come up, or if it's just gonna be open all the time like that. Well, we shall see. Just from watching this thing go around, it looks like there's gonna be a lot of good airtime on this. All right, let's watch another one come out. And I can imagine a night run on this, probably gonna be a lot of fun. Let's go see over here. Yeah, you're catching my raw emotions on this. I'm not trying to be some maniac for the camera. Like I'm really excited about this. Okay, so it looks like they're doing some brake block testing too. Here's where it comes back into the station right here. So if it's stopping right there, I'm guessing the unload platform is probably just around the other side. You can feel the cold air coming out too from the penguin habitats. From the way the concept art looks, it looks like they're going to unload you right in front of the penguin habitat, kind of like how the old Empire of the Penguin used to. That's so cool. Coming in for landing. I love the front car. It looks like a snowmobile. Well, that is incredible. We got a chance to see it testing at night. Wow. All right, we got 10 minutes. Head on over to Bayside Stadium so we can see Ignite. What's really cool is over here at Bayside Stadium, they have the Club Sea Glow party. That starts about an hour and a half before the actual fireworks show. Pretty neat. So we're gonna make our way down here and we're gonna watch Ignite. Basically, you can watch this from all around the lagoon here at SeaWorld. Hope you all enjoy this. We're also supposed to get some tropical weather tonight, tomorrow, and Sunday. Man, you can feel it. The humidity is up there. What's really crazy standing here thinking about this is in about 4.5 months from now there's going to be an ice rink here again for the Christmas season. So this is kind of the intro to the fireworks show. It's called Feeling Electric. Pretty jazzy tune. Well, I'm in a good spot. That feels good. but it makes the lasers look badass. Just like firefighting. That's incredible. Wow! mercy. Damn, that's incredible. Wow. That show gets better and better every year. It's very high energy. I'm telling you, y'all make it a point to come out to SeaWorld if you can on your vacation and see this during the summertime. I believe it runs through Labor Day weekend. Because then after that, I gotta get ready for Hollow Scream. Man, what a freaking show. Oh, and by the way, I don't know if you could see it or not, but the guy standing in front of me that had FDNY explosives tech or explosives unit on his shirt, he's one of the pyrotechnicians. That'd be a fun job to have. Oh, pipeline. I hope you all enjoyed that. Ignite is amazing, man. I cannot believe how much of a high energy show that is. Oh, and by the way, I know we were at SeaWorld, but walking through SeaWorld, sporting the new Super Nintendo World shirt from Epic Universe. They have all of the new lands. Their merchandise is at Epic Universe in the preview center at Universal City Walk. And so while I was there the other day, I had to pick some things up because what's kind of neat is these are the first installments of that merchandise. Man, it sucks. Doesn't matter where I put my camera, I got red face from, it doesn't matter where I put my camera, my face is red from the freaking brake lights of the knucklehead in front of me that's literally just sitting there with their foot on the brake. Anyway, the Universal Epic Universe merch is some of the first installments of merchandise like that, so kind of neat to have it. It might be a collector's item someday, you'll never know. And then, you know, you'll look back 5-10 years from now like, oh yeah, I remember when they had the very first installments of the merch. But anyway, quick update on hockey. Florida Panthers won, the Oilers 3 with 18:32 to go in the third period. So if they want to wrap it up, I think tonight's the night they got to go all out, man, because you force a game 7 after being up 3-0, 3 games to none. That's not good. That's getting into danger zone right there. But if there is a silver lining, it's in Florida on Monday night, which will be crazy because if it does go to game 7, that means it'll be almost 2 weeks of freaking hockey just to play 7 games of the Stanley Cup Finals. Basketball was done pretty quick and easy, 5 games, probably should have been 4, but hey, the Celtics felt sorry for the Mavericks. But yeah, fantastic time at SeaWorld. I was happy to see Penguin Trek testing. What a treat that was, at night no less, and to be able to see into the building like that. Man, I can't wait to ride. July 7th, put it on your calendars. That is the grand opening. Now, I'm not sure if there's going to be some pass holder previews or anything. I've been keeping an eye on my emails, but haven't seen anything, and really that's only about 2.5 weeks from now, so if they're going to do anything, it's probably going to be quick. Well, we shall see. I'll keep you all updated. But hope you all enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments below if you've seen Ignite, or after watching it on the tube here with my channel, if it's something that you want to add to your repertoire when you're down here at SeaWorld for the summertime. And again, I highly recommend it. It's a fantastic show, and you can pretty much see it from anywhere around the lagoon. But if you want to get the best of the soundtrack for it, though, you got to be somewhere near the Bayside Stadium. The area I stood in was absolutely perfect. I mean, you feel the splash from the fountains. It feels good. It's nice and cool. Just a great place to be at. Plus, you feel the heat from the flame. That last flame tower that goes up is unreal. That's like, I think, almost 100 feet in the air when they shoot that thing up there. So leave me a like, subscribe to the channel if you've enjoyed this and want to see more. Ring a ding 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 dong bell, and you'll get all the updates. Got lots more coming. Trying to figure out what we're gonna do this weekend. The weather's looking not so great, so we'll try to play it by ear and we'll take it from there. So I hope you all have a fantastic weekend, and as we always end it, each vlog, everything you've seen here has been the truth, and yes, it's been actual, and I hope for everybody watching, it's been mighty satisfactual. See everybody, have a good night. Main Street Fire Rescue out of service.